Hey girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, it's goody wish poppin' girl. So I decided to bring y'all along with me to take content pictures. How I do them, how I style my stuff, the makeup look I choose, etc. As you can see, I'm barefaced and my hair looks a mess. I actually want to do this slick back look, but of course I'm going to have it look more clean cut in a second. So yeah, come with me. We're about to do our makeup and get ready. I do have the outfits kind of planned out, so I'll show you guys the vibes. Here's Callie Bear. Say hey YouTube. Hey YouTube, Callie. All right, so outfit number one, I have this. Actually, hold on, let me find a way to like put it up so that you guys can see. Okay, so outfit number one, we are going to be styling this black dress, really winter dress. It's cold outside, so this is perfect. I'm going to do this simple black dress and we're going to pair it with these boots from Miss Lola. I am absolutely obsessed with the lock on them. So that's look number one. Look number two, I have to go get the jeans out of my closet, but look number two is going to be this light green shirt, light green heels, some dark denim jeans, and then an all white puffer jacket. Again, taking advantage of the fact that it's cold outside today, to get some of my winter content out of the way. And then outfit number three, kind of undecided. Also with that black dress, I think I'm gonna pair this jacket with it to tie into the leather on leather. We'll see how that goes. And then outfit number three, I'm still undecided. I do have this plaid skirt from Fashion Nova, and this bodysuit from Fashion Nova, and I kind of want to do a vibe with this, but we'll see. Boots for this one, I have a couple of options. Actually, I have some gray ones on the wall right here that I haven't brought out, and then but I also have the red ones. I actually might do the red ones and tie it all together. So let me get those. So I have a red moment, and that's actually kind of cute. And then I also have these black Gucci inspired tights. Not sure if they're gonna go under the all black fit, which they probably will, or if they're gonna go under the skirt. I'll let y'all know and we'll put them together, and you'll see how I actually style them at the shooting locations. So yeah, we're gonna go put makeup on, get ready, find accessories and things like that. So just come with me. We're gonna go get our makeup done together. Let's get into the makeup. I'm going to do a very natural makeup look. I'm probably not going to mention the products. Hold on, let me back that up. Probably not going to mention the products, but we'll see. This is probably going to be sped up, music added to it, so I might have the products pop up on screen, or I'm gonna just show y'all in the video. Okay, let's go.
cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain and arc my bitch. Drop Dropped $3 on the rain, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh, granted, she was standing right there while I catch a play on the brick. Ooh, I made them little niggas go haywire, Taliban in this bitch. Ooh, I done been down bad in them trenches, had to ride with that stick. Ooh, who gave you pills, who gave that dust, put a central on the dick. Too many convicts, they rolled me to play in this shit. Ooh, proud boy nonsense, get old, so I'm spreading this bitch. Ooh, they had the counter like lighting it up, nigga, anybody can get it. Ooh, I'm on a PJ lining it up, backwood full of sticky. Ooh, I'm trying to smoke that Drake or London, and it's extended. Ooh, they got a stretcher, nigga, out, we gon' die for this shit. Ooh, yeah, I ride for my niggas, I lie to my bitch. Ooh, need some poor, high class niggas, made it be rich. Yeah, I was at the van, though, got a penthouse for a cloud bitch. Like a shadow, feel my neck, my wrist. Ooh, I got pink toes that talk different languages. Ooh, got professors in my blood, first shit. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. Ooh, I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. That's by the time I call us Savini. I go tremendo for new fettuccine. All fat though, carrot the pinky. All fat though, we part of the Fiji. I'm in the loop with the voo, I'm in the loop with the woo. Which one you working? I put your face on the nude, I put the puss on the shirt. After I murked it, make me go shoot up the hearse. Cost me a quarter bird, nigga's birthday, you a maniac, a fucking alien. How you spurting? Got that kitty cat, I'm having fun with it. Going Birkin. $100,000 for the cheapest ring on the nigga finger, little bitch. I done flew one out to Spain to be in my domain, automata, bitch. Ooh, dropped $3 on the rain, called it been the truck, little bitch. Ooh, I was in the trap, serving cocaine, they ain't been the same since. Ooh.
Dressed, I'm ready. I'm gonna go get Austin so we can head to the locations. I do have the first outfit on because work smarter not harder, no need to leave the house without one of the outfits on. So let's go take this content, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all some tips and tricks as we're riding throughout the car. But yeah, I'll see y'all when we get to. All right, hey y'all, so I'm at my first location to shoot. Austin is with me, babes. Oh, you're bluey. Austin is with me, so I am going to show y'all the location really quick and kind of break down how I take my pictures. As you can see, the sun is going in and out. For the 3 outfits that I have, my goal is to have a little bit of sun but not too much, if that makes sense. It probably doesn't. you want to scope out your location before you take pictures, because it will help with cutting down time on finding a location. With it getting dark in Houston really fast, it gets dark around 5. I get off of work at 4. I got off a little early today to take pictures, so I have a little bit more time. But for 3 outfits, I need to cut my time to taking pictures to at least like 10 minutes an outfit, on top of driving to each location. So that is something that you want to consider. Typically, since we're still new to Houston, I just scope out locations that have minimal foot traffic. Right now, we're behind a building that is for lease, so nobody's here at all. I'll show y'all like a little snippet. So this is the building, and then the location I'm going to be shooting at is actually right here in front of this little trash can. I'll do some b-roll footage in a second, on top of showing me actually taking my own pictures. Hopefully I brought the clicker, fingers crossed. If not, Austin will come in handy. But I'll still prop my phone and my camera on a tripod, so you can kind of get both angles of me taking pictures. Another tip that I would always recommend, you can't really see me because the sun is like going crazy, but another tip I would always recommend is to pose in your outfits before you go shoot in them. This may seem like a tedious task, but it actually works in the sense of speeding up the process of taking pictures. When you know your angles, you're able to get the right angle really quickly and be in and out. Austin hates long photo op sessions, so I typically have recently been trying to minimize that by posing in our mirrors at home and making sure I know my angles before I even start shooting. A lot of people use that app that's like free-handed, to where it takes the pictures for you when you're by yourself. Because I practice my angles, I don't really need that. I can just use a clicker and go about my day after I set up the tripod how I want with my phone on it. I'm trying to think about any other tips that I can give y'all, but that's it for right now that I can think of. So yeah, we're about to just get some clips of me taking my pictures. I'll show you guys how I pose in each outfit. And I think that's it. I think that's all I got. I'll do another video on how I edit, possibly in the future. I do minimal edits on my photos, so that's not really any help. But yeah, apps I use are Lightroom, Bisco, a little bit of Facetune, and that is all. So I'm about to prop this camera up. Y'all are gonna be able to see the angles, see the location, and we're just gonna get started with the content today. My hair is up, so I chose 3 outfits that would accommodate the fact that my hair is in a bun. I felt like these were perfect fits and perfect styles for a updo. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm trying to think about anything else to give y'all tips on how to take your own pictures, but that's about it. Also, have confidence. Confidence is key. You can see if you're uncomfortable in an outfit by the way you look in your pictures. So have confidence, practice those facial expressions, and practice your poses. All right, enough rambling. Let's cue the montage. I'm gonna show y'all all the locations, and we're just gonna take pictures. Okay, bye. Austin, do you have anything to say?
You ain't done yet?
Let's go.
Pick out what you want. Hermes on. Pick out what you want. New Chanel. Pick out what you want. Poppin' tags. I've been poppin' tags. What the fuck is you talking about? I can get your ass hit. How about that car? Bet, nigga. They gon' smash a bitch. Woo. I got American muscle, nigga. I'm gon' hit me a lick. Sippin' on tussin'. Fuckin' and hustlin'. I bet gone flow. Hated 11. A full grown boss. Hated 11. Dope boy shopping at Walgreens. I'm about the whole store. Football doing that talking. That's my old hoe. Starting side of ceiling, I'm on go-go. You don't want no war, nigga, oh no. Cody flooded Atlanta. Bitch ass nigga with a hammer. Bitch ass niggas in peppers. Fuck about Mercury Gamma. My young niggas so flip. Fuck about Key and Sanders. I was so cool shit, now they want the hammer. King Jeffy told my body wrapped in gold.
Alright, so outfit number 1 is done. A car did pull up. I don't know what they're doing, but that's none of my business. So took several pictures. I'm gonna of course insert them while the b-roll is rolling. We're gonna head to the next location, which I think is gonna be the mall, because I like the garage vibe that it has over there. And I think that's where I'm gonna do the other 2 outfits, but I'll keep y'all update on if that changes. So yeah, we're finna head to the mall. Looks like the timing we have left is an hour before the sun sets and starts doing what it does. So let's rock. Hey guys, so we're at location number 2, which is the top of one of the malls that we go to. Location for reference is gonna be right here where the sun is hitting. Really simple. There's hella people at the top of here, but what are you doing?
I got boots.
There's hella people at the top of this rooftop, but at the end of the day, we gotta get content done. I'm about to take my hair down. Actually, they left, so I lied. I'm about to take my hair down and put it back up in a bun, like another one. Same bun, but I just need to fix it because I keep changing clothes in the car. And then we're about to put some boots on. I decided to put the knockoff or dupe Gucci leggings on with that skirt because I think that's gonna be a vibe. Hopefully it is. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit when I set y'all up to take pictures.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drill, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a lease, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out runners. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't need karma. Whenever I tell her to come, she come. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little fire, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around the town. I'm this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road.
Outfit number 2 is done. We have one more outfit. Alright y'all, that was a successful day of how I take my pictures and how I pose. Another thing that I forgot to mention is a lot of my inspo comes from Pinterest when it comes to outfit ideas and location ideas. So yeah, that is it. We're about to go ahead and get something to eat. What you gotta say?
No.
Oh, and yeah, that is it for today. So video, show me. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.
Bye.